Hey guys, welcome back to Napturalx2. My name is Kalila and I make curly hair videos with my cousin Renee every week. So today I want to try something new. I've never done finger coils before, so I'm going to give it a shot today. I'm going to be putting these two products together for the first time. So these are both favorites of mine. This first one is the coconut curling cream from Cantu. And the second one is this Wetline Extreme Gel. So I'm going to be combining the two. I washed my hair last night, so it's mostly dried. So I have water here with me in the squirt bottle. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, keep watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more hair videos and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just gonna start by sectioning off my hair in the back. Ooh, I washed my hair last night and I didn't detangle or add any product to it, so it's actually pretty tangled right now. Okay, let's get started. I'm just gonna saturate my hair with a lot of water. Okay, I'm gonna take my curling cream and apply that to the section. Okay, I couldn't find my Denman brush. So I'm just gonna be using my Tangle Teaser. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a section about this big. Take my gel, apply that to the entire section, and make sure that I get the roots. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb, give that a good detangling. And then I'm gonna twist. There we go, guys. There is my very first finger coil. It looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that with the rest of my hair, and I'm just gonna speed this up so you guys don't get bored watching me. But yeah, just gonna be doing the same process throughout my hair in sections about this thick. Spin so you guys can see what it looks like. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish the front of it and speed it up so you guys can see the process in detail. So just like before, right? I wet it with water. I put some of my cream on there. I take my comb and actually I take my tangle teaser and then I grab my gel. And there you go, a beautiful finger coil. I'm excited, guys, to see how this will dry. But have you guys seen When They See Us on Netflix, by the way? So I've been watching it and it's so sad what they did to these boys. Like, I can't believe they got away with it, you know? Like, there was no evidence against these boys. All they had were coerced confessions. And even like the confessions, they didn't really like match up, you know? The stories didn't make sense. The boys didn't even know each other. Like, I think two of them knew each other, they were friends, but that's about it. And these people, how could you live with yourself knowing you sent 5, not just one, you sent 5 innocent boys to prison? And like, how can you justify it by saying, oh, they were heckling people, you know, they were causing trouble anyways? Like, no, that's not your call. Oh, they were heckling people, so let's just put them in jail for a rape that they didn't commit. It's ridiculous. Yeah, so I've been watching it. It's like really hard for me to watch. I have to take breaks from it. But yeah. Let me know in the comments down below if you've watched it and like what are your thoughts on it. Hey guys, so I know I said I would check in yesterday, but I don't know, I was tired and I fell asleep, but this is what the finger coils look like when you separate them and you fluff a little bit. So I love it. I think it's cute. I kind of look like Curly Sue, but yeah, this is what it's looking like.